share with you guys an awesome tip about arms, particularly in your Egyptian basic and in your slow flourishes. And the tip is this: we are rotating this bone, this humerus bone, in the socket, your shoulder socket. So we're keeping this beautiful shape of our arm, right? This little mini thumbprint bend in the elbow. And here, my upper arm bone is rotated in this way, but I'm stabilizing my shoulder back and down. However, when I bring this shape up here for things like my Egyptian basic, this bone, as I lift, is rotating out. And that keeps my jewellery space free and relaxed, this neck shoulder area. If I were to keep the internal rotation and bring my arms up, you see how there's tension and there's pinching in here? And I'm not in the right place, so you can see this in the mirror, yeah. So this is my trying to keep my internal rotation and do Egyptian basic. And here, I'm letting my arm externally rotate as I come up, and this gives me freedom for this shape here. Likewise with my arm flourishes. Here I've got some external rotation on that upper arm bone. I start to internally rotate as my arm comes down in front of me. I'm quite internally rotated here, really stabilizing the shoulder. Still internally rotated, my elbow is lifting, so that same shape in the arm. And then at about here I start to externally rotate, and that way my shoulder stays down. I keep my jewellery space in my head and neck. Likewise, if I were to forego that external rotation here, if I was to try and keep my internal rotation, look at that. Earrings on shoulders, not a good photo, yeah? Okay, so it's just this movement. Make sure it's coming from this bone in the socket, not from just flinging your forearm around. And so you can just practice that. The cool thing that you'll notice is that some arms will naturally do this. Sometimes you will just naturally rotate that bone a little bit to keep this nice space, to keep the shoulder stabilized onto the back. Some people, you will find that you have to think about it. You get to about here and you're like, where do I go? Do I stay here, ouch, or do I rotate and create space? So you can check that out on yourself. I'm going to put on some music and we're going to drill just our Egyptian basic arms with that rotation and our slow flourishes. So you'll notice with the Egyptian basic arm, as you reach the arm back, there's even more external rotation, and as you release the arm forward, there's a little bit of internal rotation. So that shoulder is staying nice and released. Spine rotates and rotates. Okay, let's have some music and we will drill.
Pire